Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Laravel. So today we are going to learn about the how to add the tags in the Mailchimp. So let's see how we are going to use it. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So before that one, so let's we have to we have already added the email and the first name last name, right? So now I'm going to update that tags over here, right? So I'm going to add a function over here, newsletter, right? Here I'm going to add this one, newsletter add tags. So here I need to pass the tags over here and validate data email. So email we will share, right? Add it over here, right? So I can add the email, right? So here add tags with this one, right? So let's define the tags. So dollar tags is equal to tags, it should be an array. Okay, so I will add the test uh, pending something, right? Okay, I'm going to save this one. Let's have a look, it is saving or not. Let's check this one. So import, I'm going to add this one, email submit. Let's see, you can see that Ryan's full and this. Let's scroll this one. You can see that pending and the test. This one pending and test, right? So this is how you can add the tags in the Laravel Mailchimp API. Any query, any doubt in that? Just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.